Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is win-win approach in negotiation. On negotiation, some lectures already delivered. Now, win-win approach in negotiation. Message: life is like a notebook. First and last page wrote by God as birth and death. Fill the gap with happiness, helping nature and honesty. Coming to the topic, negotiation skill is one of the soft skills. I have already told you in earlier lectures there are 32 soft skills. One among them is negotiation skill. Soft skills maximize confidence for lifetime. If you have soft skills, they will maximize your confidence lifetime throughout life. If employers and employees develop soft skills, they will help them to be efficient and effective. Soft skills are both for employers and employees. If both of them possess soft skills, that will help them to be effective in life. Negotiation skills will take you to new heights in your career. Negotiation skills help in negotiation process. Negotiation is the process of involving the different groups with the different interests across the negotiation table through dialogue and discussion in order to resolve conflicts amicably. To become a successful negotiator, one should be a strong communicator. If you are a strong communicator, you can become a strong negotiator. Outcomes of negotiation. The results of negotiation. Win-win. Both parties satisfy with the results. The first one is win-win. In win-win situation, both parties will get satisfied. It is integrative process because both parties are getting benefit by resolving their conflicts amicably. Win-lose situation. One party loses here. Lose-lose situation. There is no agreement between the parties to cooperate with each other. Principles of negotiation. 1. The parties involving in the negotiation process come for some common interest. 2. Both parties start with different opinions and objectives which encumber the outcome in general. 3. In the beginning, parties consider that negotiation is a better way of trying to resolve their differences. Number 4. Each party is under an impression that there is a possibility of persuading the other party to modify their original position. 5. During the process, the ideal outcome proves unattainable, but parties retain their hope of an acceptable final agreement. 6. Each party has some influence over the other party's ability to act. 7. The process of interaction is that of interaction between people. Negotiation reduces confrontation and minimizes conflict. Negotiation is fundamental form of dispute resolution. Negotiation should give best possible outcome to both parties. Message: life can give us a lot of beautiful persons, but only one person is enough for a beautiful life. Of the message, coming to the point, negotiation skill is one of the soft skills that your employer would like to see in you. Negotiation process is about both parties reaching a good deal and involved in mutual consideration at the end of the day. Fundamental elements in negotiation process: 1. Preparation of agenda. 2. Information exchange. 3. Explicit bargaining. 4. Commitment and arriving at agreement. 5. Handling breakdown. Breakdown means failure. 6. Effective implementation. Improve your negotiation skills. All people will be negotiating either in personal life, social life, or official life. In today's increasingly complex and competitive marketplace, effective and efficient negotiating is the key to personal and organizational success. Negotiation is unavoidable. Negotiation is way of life in our culture. You can succeed in this ruthless competitive world if you improve your negotiation skills. Ruthless means merciless. Message: those who spend their time looking for faults in others usually make no time to correct their own. Coming to the topic, you can become a better negotiator through good training, insightful reading, and observation. Final result of negotiation must be agreement. Successful negotiator is a strong communicator. First, you must establish a mutual trust between you and the other person you are negotiating. Even after the deal strikes and closes, the person you negotiate with will have a long-term relationship with you. Communicate strongly. Without communication skill, negotiation is incomplete. Encouraging dialogue, listening effectively, using voice modulation, speaking right thing at the right time make the negotiation effective. Modulation means adjustment. Handle conflict smartly. Address differences in a productive way for win-win agreement. Be supple and inventive. Supple means flexible. Inventive means creative. Don't reject others' alternative quickly. Divulge information effectively. Divulge means make known. Reveal information without any pauses or disclose by little by little. Understand conflict resolution methods. Understand how people deal with conflict. This helps you to handle the negotiation more effectively. Collaboration style is often recommended as it allows both parties to gain maximum benefits from the interaction. Message in Telugu. ధనవంతుడైన పేదవాడైన శ్మశానంలో సమానమే. మనిషి ఎదురుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు తెలియదు మనిషి విలువేంటో. దూరమయ్యాకే తెలుస్తుంది ఆ మనిషి విలువ. నిజం చెప్పటం ఎంత కష్టమో దాన్ని విని తట్టుకోవటం అంతే కష్టం. మనిషికి నమ్మకం ముఖ్యం. నమ్మకం అంటే ఇంటికి పునాది లాంటిది. మగాడు లేకపోతే ఆడదాని జీవితం అవమానాల పాలే. కమింగ్ టు ద టాపిక్, గైడ్లైన్స్ ఫర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ నెగోషియేషన్. 1. Planned approach. It is coherent, simple and easy to follow. It will inculcate confidence in the negotiator. Inculcate means instill. 2. Preparation of agenda with mutual considerations. 3. Preparation of alternatives before deciding what to do. 4. Prepare well in advance what would be the next step if negotiation fails. Develop soft skills to acquire better negotiation skills. 1. Improve convincing power. 2. Improve in building, maintaining healthy relationship with all. 3. Avoid conflict. 4. Apply strategic approaches that are favorable for win-win agreement. In a bird's eye view, in short, you can develop your negotiation skills to improve your effectiveness in your day-to-day role. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.